Headed into Nike Westlake. We're gonna go ahead and see what's up. I'm one of the first people here. Hopefully they got some good steals in here. You know how we do. Let's go walk around and see what we can find here at Westlake. You know what I mean? Sometimes they have really good stuff here. Sometimes it's dead. It just depends on what you're looking for, you know what I'm saying? But I myself can always find some good stuff. We have people here rushing in here now. We got some dunks for 110. I don't know if you guys like those or not. Pretty crazy. Let me know what you guys think. We'll look around some more and see what's up. 69 with an additional 30% off. I'm gonna have to just let this thing record and edit it later because I'm not supposed to be able to record here. Kill shot leather. These are pretty cool. Good quality. 69 as opposed to 84. That's pretty cool on that. Saw these at the other outlet too. These are pretty dope too. 89 bucks is the retail on them, the flights. A lot of them available too. Pretty fire, man. 99 as opposed to 129. This is actually a really good colorway to go for. The triple black. These are 54 as opposed to 79. Definitely see them cheaper in the regular store. 49 with an extra 30% off. That's good. We're gonna have to look into these because I did scoop some of these up. These are definitely good. 49 with 30% off is dope. So we're gonna look into that too. These 44 as opposed to $70. Not mad at those either. Full size, bro. Nike. Extra 30% off the hoodies too. This thing is pretty fire though. I'm not even mad at this. Got people over there hounding the cart that just came out. This safari style dunk is kind of dope. 89 or 79 bucks with an extra 30% off. Full size one of them. We definitely seen this one in the store, 145. Full size one of that. Oh, these are crazy. Is this it right here? Nope. These women's dunks right here. Pretty crazy, bro. Metallic silver. Nobody really wants these, I guess, because of it. But I think they're pretty dope. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire, or trash. Some of these resellers, including the newer resellers, can be annoying as hell sometimes. Check it out. Okay.
Hey guys, things that are not priced, just give them a moment. No,
yeah. Yeah, man, one of the managers had to come and check one of the guys because he's trying to go through the new rack that just brought out before the guy could even put the little tag on him. It's like, just chill out, man. They're there for everybody to get. Chill the fuck out.
That's $6.
These are pretty dope too. 64 bucks. Grade school over here. So we got some more grade school. 39 as opposed to 54. We want to go for the adult sizes though.
Really good pair if you want to pick it up.
Yeah, those are clean right there.
He also goes in dark.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the blue part.
Oh, wow. Man, shout out to this sales associate. The next time I see him, he has a Starbucks gift card coming his way. He's the one who looked out and told me about the Air Max ones and told me how special they were. As you guys can see, the guy behind him was like looking, what is he talking about? What Air Max one is he talking about? Big shout out to the homie. Once I find out his name, I'm definitely going to shout him out next time.
Came out on Air Max Day, so
yeah, I like
these. If you're looking for one to probably be the one.
Yeah, for sure. Came with some heat right here. So after I bought the Air Max ones, I took those to the car and I came back in for more. Do got some steals going on, so we're gonna go ahead and see what we come across. Today's the last day of the 30% off the clearance tag, so let's go see what we can find. 30% off. Oh man, so today's the last day of the apparel. Everything 30% off. This stuff right here is pretty fire. Tag is normally 60 bucks on that. Clean for the back. Let me know what y'all think about that. And they got the bottoms here too. Pretty dope. Don't know the price on it though. 65 with 30% off. All of this is 30% off too. Everything, anything that has a tag on it, 30% off. That's fire. I came on a great day, I guess, right? You know what I mean? Normally 130 with 30% off of that. These are dope too, these shorts. We all over the place. There's so much stuff going on in here. These sweats is fire too. Sweater, Nike ACG sweater, 110 used to be, now it's down to 69 with 30% off. This sweater is hard too, red, black, and white. A lot of things to stock up on right now. Okay, I'm not mad at this one. Got the hot Cheeto on there, $54 for these. Definitely pretty dope. Let me see if I can get this box open. I mean, we see the shoe right there. Clean, 54 bucks. As opposed to $79. Boom. Oh, okay. 130 for the LeBron number 6 jersey. So far, I mean, they have a lot of apparel here too. That's dope and on sale. Let's go ahead and see what these tags are. $19.99. Got the Nike on the back. Okay, that's not bad. Same thing with this one. Got it in black. Golden State Warriors for Curry. Looks like they might go to the finals again this year. These on deck too. 19. There's also 19, the black colorway, $19.99. Yellow or green tags have extra 30% off on them, so that's a good thing. Here's some of those Ray Gun shorts, 44 bucks. So we're definitely gonna scoot out and slide with one of these blue ones because they got the size large. Maybe this red one too because they got, do they have a size large in the red one? They do have a size large in the red one. These things are dope too. This hoodie, man, normally 120 down to 84. You cannot go wrong with that at all. Full size run of the Brave Blues chilling at the outlet. Are y'all surprised? Oh, Jumpman LA stuff. Or Jordan LA. Clearance stock. Was normally, oh, it's 29 bucks. Used to be 60, down to 29 with 30% off, makes this a $20 hoodie. Wow, bro. This thing is crazy. The quality on here is very, very nice. Same thing with these sweats going for. Sweats are 24, down to 17 for the sweats. And this sweater right here is a good old 29 down to 20. Wow, this is the time to clean up on the sweaters and stuff. We got the Jumpman LA shirts or Jumpman shirts. Jumpman Los Angeles, $11. $11 makes this an $8 tee right here. Then they got the black sweater too. Same thing, 29 bucks. You cannot go wrong with these steals, bro. Some of the apparel that's here is looking really nice. I'm not even gonna lie. But I did fall victim. What is this? This is crazy. 30% off the regular tag. 49 bucks was 175. Let me see if Amazon can take any of this. This stuff looks crazy. And they are discounting it like a mug, 30% off. Like I said, today's the last day of 30% off, $29 makes that 20. All these sweats right here is definitely fire, bro. 49, 49, goes to $34. These are crazy too. 29, 20 bucks. What is going on? These things that's like 175 down to, wow, that one's not marked down. Kids section, we got these dunks on deck. 130 on the retail with an extra 30% off because they got that green tag. We got a Kyrie 8 right next to it. 124 knocked down to 30% off. Some running shoes down here. We got some LeBron 19 lows with the little tag 169 with some money off. Zions. Nothing here that really stands out like crazy, but the deals are dope. Like I said, it's the last day of 30% off. So you gotta take advantage of it if you can, you know what I mean? Let me know what you guys are thinking. Let's go ahead and dive in here. We're gonna have to scan some of this stuff because I did a little snippet, like look at this layer color thing, pretty dope. Normally $70 down to $19. 19 with 30% off is a fire price of only 13 bucks. Slide on down here, we got some Nike tees, $9. Pretty dope, pretty dope, pretty dope. Green, some more of these in different sizes, 19. Then we got this, the On the Field, 64 bucks. Normally 150. Khalil Mack, 54 bucks with 30% off. $38 for this jersey. That's crazy right there. Boom, slide on down, some more tees. different type of stuff here, bro. A lot of good things to cover. Last days are 30% off the apparel or the clearance too, which is I think that's a fire steal, you know what I'm saying? Just depends on what you're looking for. Then we got this one, Smith Schuster, 139 still. I wonder if that got to be marked down another price too. Pretty dope. What is Khalil Mack doing? Is he balling out this year or not? $14.99 for those. Is Khalil Mack hooping this year, or was he not that good last year? Does he still even play for that team? Let me know. A lot of good things here for shirts. If you need something, get yourself up here or become a member and holler at your boy. More stuff, 30% off here. Jordan apparel. These tees, the purple tee, $19.99 with 30% off. This one, $14.99, double stitch Nike. Dope situation right there. $11.99 for these. Dope for these too. $11.19. $11.97. Sweater, we talked about them before. What's this blue one? It's just like UCLA or LA Run. It's like a UCLA color, you know what I mean? What's the price on that? I might want this for the personal. I might want one of these for the personal. What's the tag? $14.99. It's not bad. Easy buckets. It's like easy money sniper for KD. $14.99 on that. Pretty dope shirt. Found some. So else what's got over here? We got some LeBrons down here. Some Reacts, $59. Normally $150. It's a good brand new pair or what? Box slightly damaged, $59 though. That's not bad with 30% off. What we got over here? Okay. They got these out here too. We saw them a second ago, but people were all around here. What do you guys think about these? I haven't really seen these before. These are pretty dope though. Haven't seen this Air Max 90 in stores yet for the grade school. I think maybe I have. They got these here on clearance for $79 with 30% off. Some of this stuff for the kids, Jordan 6 lows. Air Max 90s. Got them $54 with an extra 30% off. Normal retail is $120. That's definitely a steal. Can't do nothing for me though. That's definitely fire. The prices on some of this stuff is just crazy, bro. Today's the last day, $74 with 30% off. Look at this velour thing for the ladies. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. It's crazy that the last day is on a Wednesday. $49 with 30% off. This over here, the wall, which we have seen before. We got some. What do you guys think about these? I guess nothing, because everybody's chilling, right? Nobody wants these, so they're going to just sit here. But they got dunks by the boatload. Interesting. These are clean right here. $69 for the 270s. This one, 38, size 6.